Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. We have got peri peri chicken from Licious and Tender Cuts here. Let's jump right into the comparative review. App UI is quite similar for both Tender Cuts and Licious, like adding items to the cart and picking the time slot for the delivery. So the workflow and the experience is good in both the apps. Let's look at the price factor. Licious is priced at almost 50% higher than Tender Cuts, which is a huge difference. As you can see in the split tab, Tender Cuts is not charging for the next day delivery, while Licious charges 39 rupees as delivery charge and an additional 10 rupees for contactless delivery charge. Net, we see a difference of 126 rupees. Now let's unbox the Licious Peri Peri Marinade Chicken. Just by the first look, we can feel that the Licious has a premium feel into the packing. It's a vacuum packed, which is great to retain freshness of the meat. There is a label providing all the ingredients details and also the nutritional value, which is so professional. And we have another label indicating the weight and the use by date. 394 grams is the weight. Let's cut it open. The chicken looks juicy and tender. The marinade has quite a lot of masala, and as we could see, the cuts are deep, adding the masala to penetrate well. Now let's unbox the Tender Cuts version. Compared to Licious, the box and the packing is not that good, just on a relative scale, and also here we could see that it's not vacuum packed. No ingredients or nutritional value labels to be seen here. The label mentioned the weight and the pack on date. Weight is just same as the Licious 395 grams. Let's cut it open. Fresh, but not as much masala as you saw in Licious. Let's cook the Tender Cut marinade. Heat the oil in a pan. Place the chicken drumstick one by one. The chicken looks so juicy and really tempting. Just turn sides to cook evenly, and after 10 minutes add little water and cover it with a lid to cook well. Keep it in a low flame. Overall cooking time took about 20 to 25 minutes. The aroma is really good as well. The peri peri chicken is ready now. Let's move on to the Licious version. We are going to follow the same cooking procedure for Licious too. The peri peri marinades looks quite different from what Tender Cuts look too, but looks really yummy and delicious. The drumstick are ready to be tasted. Let's just check the tenderness of the meat. Tender Cuts is nice and soft and yummy too. Licious, I should say, is even tender and juicy than Tender Cuts. Let's waste no more time and taste it now. Have got a tandoori mayonnaise dip here. The Tender Cuts peri peri is just awesome with a strong peri peri punch. It's taste very much peri peri. Let's grab a bite of Licious peri peri. It's really juicy, so tender. but I would not say it's like a standard peri peri. It's bit different but tastes delicious though. So both chicken does taste really great. Delicious is pricey compared to tender cuts, but does give some value add in terms of premium packing, professional labeling, etc. If you are on budget, definitely tender cuts will be your go-to. Both were a treat to my taste buds. Sure you too enjoy the peri peri bites. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.